has two parts. Computer system has two parts. If you take the name of computer and just leave R, it means compute. That is some mathematical, some analytical, some relational, some logical computing it will do. What it is trained for, or what are the parts or hardware it is equipped with. Okay, for it is trained or equipped with. So computer computes, in a simple word. It does your work easily. So computer consists of two parts. One is hardware, the other one is software. Hardware is that part that you can touch. You can see also and you can touch also. Like the monitor, like the keyboard, like the CPU, like the processor, like the wires, like the SMPS, like the mouse. Everything you can touch, USB device, everything you can touch. These are all hardware, or you can say all the electronic thing are hardware. And now comes the software. Now software is that ware which is soft. What does it mean? It means you cannot touch it. You can only feel experience. This software it's a program. Software are programs. It is written in C, C++, Java, Python, assembly language. So this software will make the hardware work. So if you take the basic definition, software and hardware, the difference is hardware you can touch, software you cannot touch. Basic difference. See, this is a monitor. As I said, you can touch it. You can touch your monitor. You can clean your monitor. How can you clean your software? So, hardware is of no use until you have a software. Okay? When you talk about computers, it's not always, because there are hardwares which don't have software and they work. Okay? So, these are certain differences which I wanted to show here. Since we are talking about software, one of the most important software is operating system. It's a link between a hardware and software. What makes hardware work? What makes software work? So it's an interlinking or a kind of upping of these two is done by operating system. Operating system, OS. So it's first is operating system by itself is a software. It is written in some language, mostly in the assembly language. Okay. So whenever you switch your computer on, operating system is not the first thing, but it is one of the first thing that starts, that keeps up. Okay. There are certain basic activity. We'll talk about POST and BIOS, post on self-test and basic input-output system. So this BIOS and post will check, RAM is working, hardware is corrected properly, there is no problem in the hardware. And once this is checked, this takes a very short while. And after that, this operating system is loaded on the RAM, random access memory. And now this operating system you start. This will also take some time because there are so many memory management, device management, all these is done by the operating system. So whenever we are talking about computer, we are also talking about laptop, desktop, etc. And also the smartphone. Smartphone itself has operating systems. Okay, you have the Apple iOS. iOS is the operating system for Apple. Android is for various different machines, computers, and these smartphones. The basic is Ubuntu, but the start was Microsoft Windows. The first operating system was DOS, disk operating system. It was only on 1.44 diskette, So total operating system was on a disk, very small disk, 1.44 MB, you can imagine. So this is how Windows 3.1, then Windows 95, 98, then we have Windows 10 now. Then Ubuntu is basically the Linux based operating system which has come, operating system, free, open source. Then we have a Mac OS. The Apple systems have operating system called Mac OS. Smartphones, normally we find Android operating system right now. It's a customized for a small device like smartphones. So mobile devices have this system, okay, an operating system. Mobile devices have operating system. As I just suggested, iOS for Apple, Android in different. This is also backed by Google. Google is a very big company. So all the computer applications or software or programs like your browser, you deal with www, World Wide Web, through websites. You can open websites here. You can play games. You can have office tools for your editing like PowerPoint, like Excel, like Access, like your Word, the most widely used office tool. These are all software programs. They are written in certain language, programming language. Okay. So there has to be a in between which take care of hardware and software together, and that is the operating system, the linking software or the key software, main software. This is an example of mobile Android OS. This is Ubuntu desktop. If you know Windows, you'll be able to know Ubuntu very easily. Ubuntu, you are aware, you can work on Windows. They're almost same, only the look and feel is changed, but the background technology is also different.